The Meghalaya Filmmakers Association Bhoi unit met with Deputy Commissioner Abhilash Baranwal today to address concern about the lack of local artists' representation at Meghalaya's festival, particularly the Cherry Blossom Festival in Bhoi. President Lancius Seemle emphasized the need for greater inclusion of local talent. The Deputy Commissioner acknowledged these concerns and committed to address the issue seriously.
Basically, Bangkok only. We went to different hospitals from the government of Meghalaya only. A team of 30 people went for training on health infrastructure.
Kini di festival mo kiban pulang apa ka district jungi. Ni kalong pat sa susi ba kibun ki local artist ke jungi. Tunjio banta ban perform le ban pri ka sap ka baki kidan. Te na kaliang jungi mentakas ni lawan kendo yai DC ban ilawan ban kelpa di ba habadon kini ki program ki festival dan ki kum ka Cherry Blossom ko masalong ki benai pasawan ba suba ai bantalang ai lat lang yang ki local artist ki badai na po ka dong ka thai Bhoi.
Two bodies were discovered today in